Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks, we will create a wire cage. In this, we will use the surface command, surface trim, revolve boss base, circular pattern, and more thing. Let's start. File, new, part, and this. This is the SolidWorks user interface. I am selecting background plain white. Unit system is the millimeter gram second. Okay. I am taking the front plane. This. I am draw a center line. This one. Select this line. Shift and this. Select this line. And this point, midpoint. Okay, now I am selecting center point arc. This one, this, and this. Here. Select this point, shift this point, horizontal, and this point, shift this point, horizontal. Okay, and this point and this point, select vertical. Okay, now smart dimension, I am taking this point and this point. You will see this dimension is showing, but I move if beyond the construction line, that shows the diameter. I am taking this dia 50 mm. Okay. Now select horizontal relation, delete it. Now I will keep this dimension big. Select this point and this one, and you will see this dimension showing. But I move, if I move beyond the construction line, you will see this dia. Select this point, relation vertical, delete it also. Vertical relation also delete it. Select this point and this one. This is showing that this dimension. But if I move beyond the construction line, this shows this dia. I am taking 100 mm. You have to delete the relation. Then you have to give the dimension. So that this point should be in this line, this one. This one and this. Shift. No. Okay. And select this dimension. This dimension will take 300. This point and this point. No. Okay. Sketch is but fully defined over. Okay. This dimension I am 50 mm and this is 100 mm. Now I use the surface. If this is the tab section, if you don't have the surface, right click on any tab, tabs, and click the surfaces. You can bring this tab here. Okay. But I have the already surface tab, surfaces, revolve surface, this one. This line is selected automatically, and this is the revolve surface. Okay. Now, future, go in the future, swept boss space. Select this circle. I am taking circular profile, this option, and dia 10 mm, path is this one. Okay. This I have taken. Same way, future, swift boss base, a bottom one. You come in the bottom, some circular profile, the same dia I am using here. This one, the same, 10 mm. Okay. Option, I am unmerging this one. Okay, this is the thing. Now, again, front plane, sketch. Front, this one, normal. Now, I am using this sketch. this same previous sketch. Select this one, and convert entity, this one. And now select this is and construction, make a construction. Okay, now I am dividing this arc into 4 points. So how? Tools, sketch tools here, sketch tools, and this is the segments. I am selecting 4 segments here, and select this line, this construction line, 4 point. I will draw 4 circles here. This one for revolve base, this one, and this one. Okay, select all the circles, shift this one, and this one. Make equal relation. Okay, this equal relation. Now dimension you give it 10 mm. This dimension 10 mm. Okay. This show. I am showing this sketch. Sketch is visible. This is the line, center line. Future, revolve boss base. Select this line. This is the, I am drawing the revolve boss base. Okay. This I have revolve base. Now sketch front plane, sketch this one, because sketch is visible. Okay. Now sketch is visible. Select this line, previous line, and convert entity. Now this is converted. Again, future, swift boss face. This circular profile, I am taking this time, this is 6 mm dia. This one, 6 dia. And swift is created. This is created. But keep this unmerged. Unmerge. This one. Okay. This. Now I make circular pattern here. This one. 12 pattern. Circle. This one. 12 number of pattern. But select bodies. Select, because I have unmerged this one. This one. 12 number I have taken. This I have made. This one. Okay. This is I have made separate. Now front plane, sketch, normal, this one. Now I am drawing on this front plane a sketch through which I will trim surface. Okay, see, I will show you this one, and arc, 3-point arc, this one, this. Select this line, construction line. Dimension, this dimension. I am taking 150. This one, and this dimension I am taking 200. Okay, this one. This is. Now previous sketch is visible. This is the center line. I move here. This. Okay, but is not underdefined aways. So I am taking this and this point and this point. I am taking 200. This is 200. You can take this 200, 150. And this radius fillet I am providing here. This one and this one. This I am providing a fillet of 40 mm. This is 200. Suppose I take it down here. Cancel it. And if I take it 100 mm, this one, you will see sketch is fully defined. I will cut this through the surface command Yes, sketch is fully defined. Okay. This is the case portion. So in order to remove this portion from the, I use surfaces, trim surface, trim surface. I am selecting standard trim tool, that is selected, sketch and remove selection. You have to select the remove selection. What is this one or is this one? I am removing this one. This portion will be removed. You will see this is removed. Okay. Now further I have to cut, extrude cut, future, extrude cut, select the surface which I have drawn here. This one, this sketch. Okay. Select this sketch and extrude cut. Blind X through all. But it's going back. This one, this direction. And hit OK. Selected all bodies. This is cut. Okay, circular pattern, this one and this. This is okay. This is. Now I am future swift boss face. Swift boss face, circular profile. I am taking this dimension. If I take 15 mm. Again, this sketch, selection manager, select this line. Hit right button, this one. And hide this surface. Select this one and hide it. This way I have hide this. This is made. This is the wire gauge that can be used for different purposes. Actually our purpose is to understand the surface command, trim surfaces, circular pattern, and this way this can be used. Now I give the appearance. First is the, you will see here this one, there is 16 solid bodies and one is the surface body. Okay, so I am giving the colors for this one. From here select this one, appearance. First color I am giving pink color, this one. That's why I am unmerged the things. Second sweep, select this one, copy appearance, this one, paste appearance. Now this is the paste appearance. Okay. Now sweep 3. Sweep 3, I am giving this color. Appearance, suppose I take green color. Okay. This one. Green color, select this one, copy appearance and circular pattern. This one. Paste appearance. This is the. Okay. Revolve face. Revolve face, select this one, appearance, you select any color. Suppose I take this color. Okay. And this one. And now, what is the color? This one. For the sweep one, last one. This one. I am taking appearance. I am taking this color as a pink color. This one. In this way you can do. That's why I have unmerged all the body, all the features. Okay. In this way you can make this type of a wire case that can be used for different ways. You can use also for the bird cage, etc. This can be made from this. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this. Please like, share and subscribe my this channel. You please subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.